Hello students, today we are discussing about the internal formative assessment of history or your project of history. What is the topic? The topic is scope of present Madhyamik syllabus comparing with previous syllabus and other boards syllabus of class 10. What is the method? Method is survey. Survey means to get information or data about particular things. Here you will get information about Madhyamik syllabus or the previous Madhyamik syllabus or the class 10 board syllabus of other boards from different people, and you will collect their views on present Madhyamik syllabus. So the title is obviously a survey report on this, what you are preparing. What would be the procedure? The first step is you have to prepare a set of questionnaire, at least 4 to 5 questions, to get the opinions of different persons about the above said topic. So you will prepare a questionnaire. Questionnaire means few common questions you will ask to different people to get their opinions about the present Madhyamik syllabus or about their opinions of different boards class 10 syllabus. That means that their opinion about the syllabus, what they appeared, and the present syllabus, what they are thinking. So questions what you are going to ask to them must be related to this topic. Second step, using those questionnaire, ask 5 different people. You can ask your family members, you can ask your parents, elderly relatives, elder brothers or sisters from other boards. That means you have to ask 5 different people who have already passed class 10. That's why you are asking about their opinions, because they have already experienced about this board exam, class 10 board exam, what you are going to appear. Now the most important note you have to keep in mind, you can contact them over phone or internet due to this pandemic situation. You know that. Make a report on your study. That means third step, you have to make a report on your study, that what you have found, that common ideas what they are talking about. It is up to you how you will arrange their opinion. And the last point is conclusion. You have to give a suitable conclusion on your own opinion, what you think about this syllabus, which subjects you like, and what kind of new improvisation you would like to see, that you can do. Now follow the pattern and sample questionnaire given below, that which I am providing. First page, it would be like this. You have to write at the top internal formative assessment 2020. First subject, topic, method, title, all are already given in instruction, you have seen in last page. Then your name, class, section and roll number. Now from second page you will start introduction. Whatever I have written in this introduction, you can copy this or else you can write your own. Like I have written, I have prepared a survey report based on the opinions of 5 different people from different age groups about the scope of present Madhyamik syllabus comparing with previous syllabus and other boards, and noted down their opinions. So this will be the introduction. Now first I have given example of a set of questionnaire. You can prepare yourself and you must prepare certain questions what you can ask, or else you can use these questions also. Like for person 1, you are asking, write the name of the person, age of the person, with which profession the person is related with. If that would be housewife, you can write housewife, businessman, businessman, serviceman, serviceman, whatever. Specific service you can write teacher, doctor, engineer, whatever you think, means whatever the person would be. Then address, full address you will write. Contact number of that person, by using which number you have talked with them, or you have, if you have talked with them directly, still you have to provide this contact number. Then relation with you, your friend means brother, sister, or your parents, or your any other elderly relative like uncle, aunts, whatever. Now the questions would be like, in which year did you pass your class 10? That means you are questioning that person whom you are taking that interview. First of all, you will ask that question. Second question is that what was the name of the board, means from which board that person appeared in the class 10. Which syllabus is better, the one you appeared or the present one, and why? This question is very important and very vital. You have to ask this question to them and write down their answers. Then what were the subjects in your class 10 board exams? That means which subjects that person learnt during class 10. Now next is that what changes would you welcome or recommend or suggest for the improvement of the present Madhyamik syllabus? So whatever the person is suggesting, you will write down that. Like this, you have to ask 5 questions. All the same questions you will ask 5 different people. I have written here person 1. So person 1's interview will be on 3rd page, then 4th page person 2, 5th page person 3, 6th page person 4, 7th page person 5th. So like this you will continue. 5 persons you have to interview and you have to write about their opinions based on these questions. Now at last, in the last page, first of all you give a common point that what you have found and a conclusion with your view. Now most important note, you must prepare own questionnaire. That means the questions I have given, that is a sample question. You can prepare your own questions, own set of questions, and you have to ask those same questions to each and every person. And you must write down their opinions, and when you are writing their opinions in that questionnaire, in these answering areas, you must write their opinions. You should not try to write yours. You will write your opinion at the last. So this would be the project for you.